push this.
Yes. Oh, I can't see. It's too dark. Sorry. Ah. Okay.
Right there?
Yeah.
Alright. Cool.
You start labeling. Go, Ariane. We love your voice. Go, go, go.
Alright, right there. Right out of here.
Yeah.
Okay, move back. Actually, look from this angle. From this.
From your angle?
Yeah, from my angle.
Okay, I have
Right there?
lighting. Oh, there's like no good lighting.
Oh, that. Dang it.
Gosh darn it.
Here.
Okay. I'll just there. Expose it. Okay. There we are.
Right
Okay,
there?
so
Under there?
yep. We have the brachiocephalic artery that's right in the right in the center, and it kind of branches off into three, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. So the first one that it branches off into, to the right over here, that should be the left subclavian artery, because remember it's a cat's left. And the other one beside it, to the very right of it actually is the right subclavian artery.
Then we got a
And
two
then we've
carotid.
got the two carotid.
That's it.
Yeah, I think they're the common carotid arteries.
Common carotid.
Right and left, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, so that's that. What else?
And then we got a little tiny artery branches.
That groan.
Note, he probably will not label the tiny ones, so we'll focus on the large ones.
Yeah.
Look at diagram.
Look at diagram for sure. Oh my god.
I guess we can just show them like the
Just show them the sorry, tissue book. I don't know. Actually, we went through the veins, so a lot of them are right beside the veins, so I think that...
So if you want to find the arteries, pair them with the veins.
Exactly. Otherwise, I think
Oh.
we're good.
There you go. Right there, guys.
Yeah, that should be the... Was that the subs...
That's a branch off of the subscapular.
No, wait, that was the subclavian.
Subclavian, yes.
Yeah.
Why does it say subscapular?
No, it's okay. There. Oh,
Um,
man.
well, there's two, right?
Uh-huh.
I think that is the subclavian,
Subclavian,
and then
yeah.
breaks off. Yep,
Perfect.
subclavian, right there.
Ah. Okay.
All right, cool. Have fun studying.
Good luck. This will be fun.